Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I know I haven't done a video in so long, pretty much since lockdown started, so this one is well overdue. So for those of you who are new, I'm Atarah. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the new Morphe Free to Be Pride 2020 collection. Okay, so first I'll run you through all the products in the collection and then we'll get creative. So first up, we've got the limited edition sweet smelling continuous setting mist. So this is £16 and it has, I don't know how to explain the smell, it's literally like candy, like it's so sweet, so it just smells so good. I did use it already to spray on my face to set my base. So let's open it up. Here's the packaging, so just white packaging with like the rainbow colours on there, and then you open her up and this is how it looks. So the same bottle as the original one, just in different colour, so all white, and then you've got the rainbow Morphe writing like that. And unfortunately I can't swatch a setting spray, so you just have to take my word for it. But honestly guys, it smells so good. So next we have a lip gloss called Speak Out. So it has like a holographic rainbow shine to it, so you can wear it on its own or you can layer it on top of lip liner or lipsticks. But it's honestly so pretty on and it smells really nice as well. So I'm going to swatch it for you. There you go. It kind of looks more clear with sparkle, but it is really pretty when it's on. Okay, so I've just wiped the foundation off my lips so that I can apply it on to show you guys how it looks without anything on. And it almost feels like more of a balm than a gloss. Like, it's not really sticky. It feels really like hydrating and creamy. But yeah, so this is how it looks on without anything underneath on my lips. The gloss is £10. So for me, I prefer to wear it on top of like a pink or brown lipstick or lip liner, because on its own I feel like it is pretty, but it's not really me. Like, I feel like I've just kissed a Tin Man. It looks a bit like silvery, so yeah, I prefer to wear it on top of something, but obviously for you guys, you may prefer it on its own. Next, we've got this 6-piece face and eye brush set called A Better World. Get it? Better World? Better World? Yeah, you get the point. But this brush set is £26. It comes in this cute holographic bag. So it's just a plain holographic bag. Then you open her up and here are the brushes. If you guys follow me on Instagram or even on YouTube, I think I've mentioned a few times, you know I love my eye brushes. I get so excited when I get new eyeshadow brushes. I like face brushes too, but I like eyeshadow brushes more, obviously because I do more eyeshadow looks. So here are the brushes, they look so good. And they're really pretty as well, like the white and then the rainbow holographic bit at the top here. Okay, so like I said, the brushes are £26 and it includes an all-over lid brush, an oval camouflage brush, a pro firm blending brush, a pointed pro blender brush, a small chiseled detail brush, and a detailed liner brush. As always from Morphe, they feel like really good quality, really soft, and I can't wait to use them so that we can see how well they perform as well. So last in the collection, we've got the 10G Glisten Up Eyeshadow Palette. So let's open it up. So it has shimmery eyeshadows and pressed glitter pigments in there. So the palette is £18 and here's how it looks. So you get a mirror, which is good. And then here are the shades, so pretty, and the formula is so creamy, so easy to apply and blend, so you can use brushes or you can just use your fingers to apply it. But I haven't tried these on their own yet, so I'm a bit like, I don't know how it's gonna look. I have tried them on top of like matte eyeshadows just to add like shimmer or glitter, but not on their own, so this should be interesting because I don't usually ever do eyeshadow looks with just shimmers or glitters. I usually always have like the matte shade and then incorporate shimmer or glitter. But let me quickly swatch these for you guys. Wait until you see these swatches. So pretty. So I went ahead and swatched the top row first and then the bottom row, going this way. Yeah, you'll see on my hand, on my arm. But I'm not the best swatcher, so don't judge me. Here we go, and I kind of did it wrong, so I need to twist my arm so you guys can see. So here is the top row first, and then the glitters, how pretty. This second one right here, what's it called? Be a Visionary. It's so pretty, I'm obsessed. These ones, the shimmer ones, I kind of get more of like a pastel, softer rainbow vibe. They're not as like intense as I thought they would be, but still really pretty. It's like a wash of colour, so we'll see how it looks on my eyelids. So I'll go through the names quickly. So we've got Keep It Kind, Blaze a Trail, Shine Hope, Inspire Change, Accept Everyone, and then on the glitter side we've got Love Yourself, Be a Visionary, Live Your Life, Dream Big, and Respect, or RESPECT. So that's all the shades. This whole collection is limited edition and it's available on Morphe.com and in stores, I think. And if you don't know who Glisten are, you can go on the Morphe website and check, like read up about them. So happy Pride Month. Now let's get creative. Now for the hard part, I've got to decide what kind of look I want to do. I'm thinking, obviously because it's Pride Month, to do like a rainbow type of eyeshadow. Maybe I'll do like yellow to orange to pink to purple to blue and see how that looks. And we're going to go into Shine Hope first. One eye I will use the brush and the other eye I will use my finger just to see the difference. So I'm just going to quickly blend out my eye base where it's creased. Now that we're ready to apply the eyeshadow, we'll do this eye with the brush. Oh, it's coming up a lot more pigmented than I thought it would, because on my hand there, this shade, it didn't really look as bright, but on my eye, it looks a lot brighter. So I'm just patting this colour on, working it upwards slightly. Oh, I'm actually really impressed. So far so good. I'm gonna drag it out a bit so that it blends in better with the next shade. And just wiping off my brush, and now I'm gonna go into Blaze the Trail, which is more of an orange shade. And we're gonna go right next to that yellow. So I'm just like swiping it on my lid and then tapping it into the yellow, going up towards my brow, because why not? And same again, dragging it outwards to blend into the next colour, like so. So I think this one that I just used is the all over lid brush. Now I'm going to go into the oval camouflage brush. I think it's the one I'm just looking at these images and then it saves the names of them there, so I'm guessing it's in order of what this is in order of. So next up, I'm going to go into Keep It Kind, which is this pink. And pattern. Okay, I think it might be better when I swipe instead of pat. So again, you can see it's like a wash of pink with shimmer. It's not like super intense. I'm going to go back in with the other brush, just dip back into that orange, because I feel like the orange has kind of disappeared between the yellow and the pink. And I'm just going to pack a bit more of that on top. There we go. So next on the list we have Accept Everyone. I'm going to use the back of that brush that I just used to apply the pink. Look, I don't know if you guys can see this, but like you get an idea of the formula, because when I press my brush into it, it kind of like squishes and imprints. So that's how you know it's kind of like that creamy formula. So I'm applying the purple to the outer edge. Oh, I'm scared for this one. This one is a bit more pigmented. I'm going to use, I think it's the Pro Firm blending brush, and just buff it out, kind of lightly tapping and dragging, bringing it downwards. Slowly adding a little bit more product on my brush as I go along. Now I'm going to go back in with the pink, because she's disappearing on us. Now I'm going to go in with this blue shade called Inspire Change, and I'm going to use the small chisel detail brush, and I'm going to go along the outer corner of my bottom lash line. Ooh. And tapping it into that purple. slightly. So that is the entire top row on my eye. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye with my finger, and then we'll move on to the glitters because I haven't decided what I want to do with those yet. Going into Shine Hope first, the yellow shade. Got it on my finger, and I'm just going to tap that into place. My finger's a bit too big. Oh, it's working alright. Ooh. I'm just doing like a little bit at a time because I don't want to get too carried away and be heavy-handed. No, I kind of feel like it pretty much does the same. Okay, so orange next. I should have used my pinky, it's smaller. So just kind of like tapping and dragging into the yellow to blend them. And then going into Keep It Kind. So I guess this is a really good palette if you just want like a quick look to do with your fingers and you want a bit of shimmer. You can just quickly apply this and go. So we've got the pink on there, now we're going to do the purple. Bam! Again, just patting it on. Ooh. So now we're going to go in with Inspire Change. I'm going to use my pinky so I can kind of like swipe underneath. Oh, it's working. Okay, so now for the glitters on the bottom row. I don't think I'm gonna use them all because I just don't know where to start. But I really want to try this green, so I'm gonna go in with the green like here, and then I might add a bit of this pink one just on top here to bring that pink shade out a bit more. So I'll go in with Live Your Life first, which is the green one. I'm scared that I'm gonna get it everywhere. Let's try it with my finger. Just use the brush. Let's try and brush that off. Then I'm going to go in with Love Yourself and just tap that on top. I'm actually going to go into Be a Visionary as well and tap that on top of the purple. Do you guys see that? So I think I'm pretty much done for the palette. Now I'm going to add some liner and some lashes just to complete the look. Because guys, you're about to see how much of a difference eyelashes make when you have like a bold or dramatic eyeshadow look on. Okay guys, so I went ahead and added my mascara and some liner off camera. I was trying to decide if I should put anything in my waterline because I feel like it just looks a bit naked. Okay, so I just decided to go in with a white Zoeva eyeliner just because it opens up my eye a bit more. So now I'm going to add my lashes. And for lashes, I'm using Lily Lashes in the style NYC. So here's how they look. Food break. I don't know which I love more, food or makeup. That's a hard one. Okay, let's get this next lash on. Come on, girl. Cooperate. Okay, so to finish off, I'm going to actually go in with this shade Blaze a Trail, maybe mixed with the top pink one as well, as a highlighter, just to see how it looks. Carefully applying it. That's quite cute. I'm going to wipe this gloss off, put a pink lipstick underneath, and then put the gloss on top, just so you guys can see how it looks on top of the lipstick as well. Some glitter on my lips. Ooh. See, I think it looks so much better with a lipstick underneath. So that is my face complete. Just for the sake of it, we'll give ourselves one more spray. I really wish you guys could smell this. Hold up, let me just go and fix my hair real quick. Okay, so here's the final look. What do you guys think? I actually really love how it turned out. Like the pigment in the shades is actually showing up really well on my skin tone, so I'm impressed. I would definitely use a lot of these shades mixed with like other matte eyeshadows, and these glitters are just so gorgeous. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Leave me a comment below letting me know what type of looks you want to see. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Atarah Mayhew. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Happy Pride Month.